Hi there. So today we are going to talk about PHP increment decrement operators. So these operators can increment a value or decrement a value. So two type of operator, increment and decrement. And for increment there are two types, pre-increment and post-increment. And same for the decrement, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So first we will see pre-increment. So what does it mean by pre-increment? So this will increase a value and then return the variable. So let's try it. I have created my PHP file for this. I have assigned x equal to 2, that means x has a value 2. Now let's try to use pre-increment. So plus plus x, and let's see what value we will get. Sorry, $x. So let's refresh it, and as I said, it first increments the value and then return it. So that's pre-increment. Now post increment. So what it will do, it will return the value first and then increase it. So in this case it will show us 2. And now if we echo x again after the increment, we will get incremented value. So that's it, returns the value here and then increment it. So after incrementation, if we try to echo this, we will get the incremented value. So that's post increment. Now let's see pre-increment and post decrement. It's the same but for the decrement part. So if I do x minus minus, which is post decrement, it will show us 2 and then decrease the value. Now pre-decrement, so it will show us 1. So this is how increment and decrement operator works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.